Understanding to Buzz with, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, to buzz with. This phrase is a vivid expression used in English to describe a certain atmosphere or situation. Let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage. To buzz with is an idiomatic expression in English. It is used to describe a place that is full of activity, excitement, or noise. The word buzz originally refers to the sound bees make. When we use to buzz with, we are comparing the lively, busy sound or atmosphere of a place to the bustling noise of bees. For example, the market was buzzing with activity. 1. Describing places. You can use to buzz with to talk about locations filled with people, noise, or activity. For example, the cafe was buzzing with conversation. 2. Conveying excitement or energy. This phrase can also depict a sense of energy or excitement in a group. For instance, the team was buzzing with enthusiasm after the win. 3. In literary and figurative use, writers often use this phrase to set a scene or describe an environment in stories. For example, the forest buzzed with the sounds of nature. Don't confuse with literal meaning. Remember, to buzz with is not used to describe the actual sound of buzzing, but rather to convey a metaphorical sense of activity or liveliness. Context is key. This expression is best used in lively, active contexts. Using it in a quiet or calm situation might be confusing. And that's a wrap on to buzz with. This phrase is a fantastic way to describe lively, energetic places or situations. We hope this video helps you understand and use to buzz with confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.